Hi, my name is Steven Lawrence and I'm a 3-year TLT alumni. I want to tell you about this amazing opportunity for TLT CON. Every year that I've gone to this event, this summer event, it's been life-changing for me. So this event is something that you don't want to miss out on. However, there is a money factor involved. So we've created a digital fundraising system where people are able to donate you and support you. And through their donations, they enter a raffle where they have the opportunity to win some pretty great prizes, such as things like an iPad Pro, AirPods, and some Beats headphones. So we've provided all the tools that you need to be able to reach out to family members, friends through all different types of platforms, social media, text message, email, whatever you need. And so that they'll be able to go support you. And you're not just simply asking for a donation, there's actually an incentive there where they have the opportunity to win some prizes. But at the end of the day, they really want to support you in this next step of leadership. So another thing that you can also do is even stepping outside of your front door and going into your neighborhood and asking people, going door to door, asking them for their help and support. And me personally, I did that a few years ago, and one day I raised $200 in one day just because I was able to express to them what this camp is really about and what it has done for me before and what it would mean to me to be able to go.